श्रीमती सुप्रिया सुले जी।
Thank you, sir. I stand here to speak on the tax bill, and I stand here on behalf of our party to support the Honorable Finance Minister's bill. Sir, I would like to just ask for a few clarifications from the Honorable Finance Minister. We all wholeheartedly support the bill, and that's the sense of the House today. But there are larger issues that I would like to ask her, and I think that's where I'd like to take the debate to, that what is really the objective of this bill? I appreciate you increasing the prices of it, but if you really look at it largely, what are the ministries who really need to be involved while implementing something like this? Is only our tax collection the incentive and the objective of this bill? Or are we looking at collecting tax? Nothing wrong. It's a legal way, and that's how countries run and development happens. At the same time, is health a high priority? Because the state I come from, sir, the Home Ministry, Finance, Health, Agriculture, and the Food and Public Distribution, these are 5 ministries which really need to work together in the larger interest of all the suggestions that have come from all the MPs. Sir, ours was the first state in the country which banned gutka. But I, with full humility, with a heavy heart, I must admit that in Maharashtra, gutka is available everywhere. And in plenty, not just in small quantities. We banned it, but it's there. So even if we do ban things, is really the outweighed. I mean, I was a big one to say, ha, ban kar do, but now I think, was it a wrong decision? Should we have increased the tax? Would have been better than illicit gutka being distributed. And another angle, I appreciate what Krishna ji said in his speech. He made a lot of issues about ITC, the development, the CSR. But I would like to add a small point to that, sir, that in all these products, like using gutka or any tobacco products, they are not allowed to advertise. I appreciate the point of Professor Saugata Roy ji also said that make more signages on them. There are ample signages everywhere now, and smoking is not cool. Sir, I was in a generation where Bollywood movies showed the machoism was about smoking. But today's generation is exactly opposite. You're shamed if you're seen smoking. Even a movie, it says it's injurious to health. So I think society at large globally has done things like this to shame people from smoking. But unfortunately, what happens in all these brands, or any gutka brand, they look at other comfort products. Like there are gutka products, the name is the same with water. So they sell water, the brand is the same, but psychologically when you're watching that ad, you do realize that ये गुटके वाला है, वही पानी बना रहा है, वही और 4 products बना रहा है, बिस्किट बना रहा है और पता नहीं क्या क्या बना रहा है. So the symbol is the same, the designing is the same. So indirectly, this soft advertising that all these gutka kings of India are doing, this is something we really need to look into. I don't know what the solution is to it, but we must do it because in the larger interest of all my friends, and I think it's the most wonderful debate today because Professor Saab and my friend Kalanidhi, who's not here just now, but both of them have spoken against smoking. So, you know, umid pe duniya kayam hai. So I'm hoping that there will be a change even in them. But sir, I would like to ask a few questions to the Honorable Finance Minister that I appreciate her bringing the bill. But what's really alarming today is in Delhi, walking around in Delhi is like smoking 50 cigarettes a day. So I think I would urge her, and I even spoke to Bhupender ji the other day, I was fortunate enough to meet him in Parliament, that why don't you put a consensus in Parliament and give us targets? Give targets to every member of Parliament where we can help you assisting for all these larger social issues. कभी तो राजनीति छोड़ के हम सब ने देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए. So can we do something about for smoking? Can we do something for air pollution? So if you also give us some targets, I was praising him. I took Kalanidhi ji's name because I really appreciate his intervention. But is there something that we can do more for air pollution? Today he has shown his determination. No, I hope he does something. And for all the solution that he has made for making pockets in every villages, if he gives us from Tamil Nadu a solution, we will implement it in Maharashtra to stop smoking. No, solution for entire India. And we are happy to take it, and we'll give it your name also. But I think we can, if there is something we can together do for this, we'd be very happy. The Honorable Purandeshwari ji talked about welfare states. I appreciate her efforts. She's one of the finest parliamentarians we have. But sir, welfare state is, do we really want India to be a welfare state? I mean, I come from a state which recently had an election, and a program which the Honorable Shivraj Singh Ji started in Madhya Pradesh, which was a very big success, was used in Maharashtra for Ladli Behnas, and it was effectively implemented before the election. But what happened to the welfare after election पता नहीं. 25 लाख ये शिवराज सिंह जी ने मध्य प्रदेश में नहीं किया, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में हुआ. 25 लाख महिलाओं के नाम कम किए. So this whole welfare business, I don't know, is really the right way forward. So what really is the objective? I go back to my first point, that what is the objective? Even the farmers' issue. I appreciate Shivraj Singh Ji's work. Sir, he was most kind to us when Maharashtra had huge, हमारे यहाँ बहुत बारिश हुई. He was one of the ministers who reached out to our government, most helpful. He wanted to come and help us in our state. He himself said कि जो भी लगेगा हम यहाँ से दे देंगे. But it's unfortunate, I say this with a heavy heart, that Maharashtra government has still not sent him a proposal. महाराष्ट्र में कह रहे हैं कि कमेटी बनेगी, कभी उसका रिपोर्ट आएगा, उस पे क्या हो जाएगा. I really appreciate.
If you can yield to, I think.
Yes, please, I'll be happy to.
शिवराज सिंह जी.
मैं केवल इतना निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि महाराष्ट्र की सरकार ने अभी जो त्रासदी आई थी, भयानक त्रासदी थी बाढ़ की, उसके बाद अपना प्रपोजल 27 तारीख को केंद्र सरकार को भेज दिया है. इतना केवल मैं करेक्ट कर रहा हूं, आपको भेजा है महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने.
थैंक यू. आपको जब जानकारी रहेगी तो आपने, लेकिन अब आ गया है.
कल का सवाल जो
माननीय कृषि मंत्री जी ने दे दी.
नहीं, ये इनका बड़प्पन है, वो सरकार को बचा रहे हैं. क्योंकि आज ही मैंने कृषि मंत्री से बात की महाराष्ट्र में, उन्होंने कहा हमने कुछ रिपोर्ट नहीं भेजी अभी तक. पूरी हमारा एक सर्वे हो रहा है, उसके बाद कमेटी बनेगी, कमेटी के बाद रिपोर्ट आएगा. छोड़ देंगे अभी वो बात.
माननीय कृषि मंत्री जी ने ऑन रिकॉर्ड कहा है.
प्राकृतिक आपदाओं में मैं भी लगातार राज्य के संपर्क में रहता हूं. उन्होंने सचमुच में भेज दिया है.
चलिए.
बहुत उम्मीद है, महाराष्ट्र सरकार से नहीं होगी लेकिन उनसे है.
ये राजनीति है.
और दूसरा, कृष्णा जी ने जो कहा कि वी आर वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी, वी आर हैप्पी इफ वी आर, बट आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू, मे बी ही मिस्ड आउट इन हिज रीडिंग कि IMF का एक नया रिपोर्ट आया है. मैं बड़ी विनम्रता से कहना चाहती हूँ
8.2% अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस.
हाँ, तो आई एम नॉट श्योर सर, आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड. आई एम नॉट अ फाइनेंस एक्सपर्ट. जो मैं थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लेती हूँ उससे ही कुछ समझ में आता है उसमें. तो एक रिपोर्ट आई है सर, शायद वो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ही क्लैरिफाई कर सके कि पेपर में आई बात मैं कह रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता उसमें. बट IMF की रिपोर्ट आई है, उसमें कहा है कि आर सिचुएशन इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट देन व्हाट कृष्णा जी वाज सेइंग. सो आई अप्रिशिएट एंड रिक्वेस्ट द ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर टू क्लैरिफाई, सो द वर्ल्ड नीड्स टू नो वेयर रियली इंडिया स्टैंड्स. एंड इफ द IMF report which has downgraded us has given wrong information about India, we need to correct it to make sure that there is no bad perception and information about India. So I think this is the limited point. I don't think we have any more suggestions to make, but we appreciate the efforts.
Your time was only 3 minutes, but you spoke more than 8 minutes.
Sir, you are very kind to me, or overindulging me. Thank you, but I will support the bill wholeheartedly, and I hope the objective is very clear, to reduce smoking and make sure the tobacco farmer doesn't get hurt. We can always find it. Shivraj Singh ji ज़रूर उसके लिए कुछ अच्छा करेंगे. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Supriya. Good debate is going on. Shri Ravindra Vaikar ji. Shri Ravindra Vaikar ji.
धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय. सेंट्रल एक्साइज संशोधन विधेयक 2025, मैं आपका हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं कि आपने मुझे देश की अर्थव्यवस्था और जन स्वास्थ्य से जुड़े एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक सेंट्रल एक्साइज संशोधन विधेयक 2025 पर अपनी बात रखने का अवसर दिया. महोदय, मैं अपनी पार्टी शिवसेना की ओर से इस विधेयक का पूरेपूर समर्थन करता हूं. मैं देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और माननीय वित्त मंत्री श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारामन जी को विषय